Let's see how do you find the prime factors of the number 578. Basically, what you do is use the divisibility rules and keep splitting the number until you get prime numbers. Let's see what do we mean by that. So that number 578, you can split it initially in two parts. So we can see that 578 is nothing but 2 times 289. Okay, that's the one part. But 289 is still not prime, but 2 is prime number. So we can stop with 2 right here. But that 289, we can split it further into two parts. We can say 289 is nothing but 17 times 17. Okay, so that gives you three numbers, 2, 17, and 17. So basically that 578 can be written as 2 times 17 times 17. Okay, and these three are the prime numbers, and basically that gives you the prime factors of the number 578 using factor tree method. I hope that makes sense. If you understand the concepts that I'm teaching you, can I request you to like this video and subscribe to this channel? I post calculus and math content every single day. That's another reason to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.